Hey YouTube, it's Muffin Plays, and today we are going to be playing bloxburg. Not really. We'll be playing Maple City also, but first we're gonna play some bloxburg, and we're gonna see if we can get adopted. Hold on. Okay, so let's go to this person and say hi first. So let's just blah 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 blah. Okay. So I'm gonna say hi, and come on. It didn't tell you? Oh, okay, it did. I'm gonna wait for her to respond. Come on, respond, lady. I'm gonna block you, and you'll never be able to get in my house. Hello? No? No, you don't want to say hi? How about, whoa, our house is big. This is not, wait, hi. That's hi. Hi. Hey. Hi. Wait, what are you doing? No. Not for. That is rude. You know what? So she speaks another language. So I'm not gonna do that. So, open. Oh. Yeah, she speaks another language. Let me just knock and see what happens. Please, just let me in. Aw, that's nice. Come on. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the translator. Right. Okay. So she guested me. So now she doesn't understand me, but she just knows I need home or something. So let's get my energy up, and I'm going to, thank you. Oh, I want something to eat. I'm hungry. I keep switching seats. Hey, there's like a wrap. Okay, let's go upstairs and get our energy up. Ooh, this is really nice actually. She has a really nice house. Okay, so, ooh, this is nice. Alright, I want to make the bed before I do anything. Let's open this, have some great wind come in, take a good nap. Okay. Oh, she's gonna sleep with me? Okay. Aw, she's nice. It doesn't matter about language, it just matters how nice you are. Okay, so that's it. No, that's it. I need to take a bath. Okay, I'm gonna close this so she doesn't know I'm in here. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna use this. Oh, this feels so much nice. So much better. Okay. Oof. Okay. That's better because my chair is up. Okay, so this is actually much better because, look. She speaks a different language that I don't understand. If you guys understand that, please tell me in the comments what she was saying. And anyways, she's really nice. She's really nice, even though we don't even know each other, what. Hold on, I'll be right back, you guys. I need to do something. I'll see you in 5 minutes or so. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to get out of here, and I'm gonna take this, open this, and I'm gonna go and wash the clothes for her. Where does she wash her clothes? Where do you wash your clothes? Oh, this is a cute room. No, don't come in. It's my room. Now, lady. Oh, okay. I can't find. Okay, she's telling me to come. Because she knows what I'm doing. So she knows I'm washing it. Okay, I forgot. It was down here. Oh, this is so cool. I never knew you can do this. I'm washing. I'm just washing it. Oh, this is so cool. That is cool. And just stand here. And then you can like bring it back upstairs, I think. I don't know, honestly. I've never done this. What do you have to do now? Do you dry it? You dry it? This is cool. I'm gonna like, no. No. Oh, that's why. Okay, she's like, what? Okay, now let's go store this. Ugh. Okay, let's go upstairs and store this. Oh my god, where am I going? Okay, let's store this. Oh wait, where was it? No, not in here. It was somewhere like in here. Okay, right here. Wait, what? Where do we put this? Wait, where do we store this? I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna say, ma'am. No, she's really like, what? Ma'am, where do I store this? Where do I store this? I don't want to just be carrying around, sitting, or eat. Uh-oh. No. I think that's it. Yeah. Never mind about that. Okay, so we need to do our homework. So we need to write this book saying, Dear friend, I know it's been hard, but sometimes life isn't easy. I know we're apart, but we can reach back together. What happened? Oh, okay, so yeah. So I wrote that right there. No, you're gonna. I don't know what I just said. Oh, I'm so itchy. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close the door. Next time, I'm just gonna. I need to take a shower or something. This really confused me. Okay, so. Yeah, alright, I can close this. And open and get out and close. Yeah, let's actually go through this again. Okay, so we know that this is the bathroom. This is where I'm gonna be. Okay, so what we need. No, she left! Okay, what about this person? What about this person? They're learning, they're, okay, they look like a job person. This looks like a hotel. This looks like a hotel. This would be a hotel. Well, I think I got blocked or something. I don't know what happened, to be honest. With you guys, so. Yeah, so I'm just actually gonna go to this house, because this house looks really nice. I'm not trying to be, a gold digger, but like, I just really like big houses. I don't know. Hello. I'll make you my roommate if I can live with you. Even though I don't have a house. $1. You can do anything. Come on, please. Come on, man. I'm waiting. Can't wait here all day. Let's get rid of this. Okay, right now. Hi. Okay, I'm not talking to this girl right now. I'm private chatting with somebody else. In fact, it won't answer me, so that's pretty annoying. Sunny Star. Is this them? Lee. Ooh, this goes. Aww. That's cute. Just leave the poor Sophie alone. Already, she's probably AFK or something. Oh, I was about to jump on this tree. It's not. But I can't because. I'm saying hi. Oh, wait. This is. I thought that was another girl. Like, hi, oh my god. Give each other co-owner. This is nice, but I don't want to do it. I know they're talking to somebody else, but like, why am I doing that? Where am I going? Oh, if you guys see right here in the chat, right here in the chat, what I do it? But I can make you. Can you guys see me? I don't think you guys can. Hold on, I'm trying to do something right now. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna do something real quick. Just show the screen. Oh, hi. Okay, what am I doing? I did not want to do that. Okay, so sorry. Oh, we're all the way back up here where she said I'm Brazilian. Okay, phew. Okay, please make a shower now. Okay, so they're probably at Arara's house. Oh no, I think I have to go. Good, now I can live with. Hi, I said hi. Hey man. What is happening? I think she put XD, but that's her name. I think graveyard. What? What is she talking about? Okay. Wait, can you guys? No. I want this. Okay. I said hello. We're going to the Riverside estate. Yeah. I'll be there. Bye YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, so I hope you guys subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your notifications, and leave a comment for a shout out. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.